So now you have your asset hierarchy that is built. You must now ask yourself, what are the most critical pieces of equipment in this hierarchy? Let's take an example. You go to your boiling area and you ask your production manager there, what is the most critical piece of equipment of our facility? He will surely answer you, well, it's the boiler, of course. Now you go to another area in your facility, for example, paper machine, and you ask the same question to the area supervisor. It's going to tell you, well, it's the couch roller or the drying area. None of these two people are right or wrong. They are right and wrong at the same time. It's just their subjectivity and emotion talking. What we want to achieve with criticality ranking is to take emotion out of the equation and replace that with objective criteria. So we've listed 5 criteria for running a criticality ranking exercise. The first one would be the impact on safety. Think about the most probable and most catastrophic scenario where a piece of equipment would fail unexpectedly and maybe injure or even kill worker or workers. The second criteria would be environment impact. Think about a reservoir that might leak and spill hundreds of gallons of contaminated product into a river. The third criteria would be the impact on production. Think about a piece of equipment that would fail unexpectedly and probably shut down production for hours or even days. Now, the fourth criteria would be impact on maintenance. Think about, do I have all the resources needed to fix an equipment right away? All the spare parts? What is the lead time on some of these spare parts? And finally, would be the impact on quality. Think about a metal detector that would fail unexpectedly. You might end up with chips of metals in cookies or milk or French fries, and that would result on a very bad crisis for you in the media or in the public. So these are the 5 criteria to take into account when running a criticality ranking exercise.